Thank you all for joining this session. In this session, we'll understand how we can include an audio into a PowerPoint presentation. So let's say this is a sample slide where you need to include an audio for this slide. What we need to do is click on this insert tab, and on the far right there is an option called as audio. Click on this audio and select the second option that says record audio. It will give you a small pop-up. This red button indicates to start the audio recording. When I click on it, it will start the recording of this particular explanation. Hello friends, this slide explains the concept of place value and the face value. On your left you can see there is a number 7824 and a number is highlighted, which is 2. So let's say if we want to understand what is the place value of number 2 in the digit 7824. So the very first thing that we need to do is to find out where is the place for that digit. It's in tens place. So number 2 is in tens place. So take that number, which is 2, and multiply it with its place value, which is tens. So 2 cross 10 equals to 20. So 20 becomes the place value for number 2. And if we were to find out what is the face value for number 2, we have to simply understand what is the simple value of the digit. The simple value of the digit is 2. So the face value becomes 2 in the number 7824. After the recording is done, you have to click on the stop button and say OK. The moment you click on OK, there is this voice icon that comes on the slide. Right. Once this voice icon comes, what we need to do is you click on this voice icon and then click on this playback tab. There are two things that we need to do. One is we need to configure whether this voice explanation should start automatically or it should start when you click on this slide. So I will say it should start automatically. And another important attribute that you want to select is hide during the show. That means this icon should not be displayed when the screen or this presentation is being discussed. So I say hide during the show. That's it. So once you do this, and I go back to first slide and go back to presentation mode, let's see how the output looks like. So I'm in first slide, and I will click on my mouse to go to second slide. You need to observe that when I am in second slide, the audio starts automatically. Hello friends, this slide explains the concept of place value and the face value. On your left you can see there is a number 78. Okay, I'll not play the entire sound clip, but this is the fundamental of adding any sound into a slide. So this was option 1. The another option is, so I'll get rid of this sound file and we'll see what was the first option here. Okay, so again go back to insert tab and click on this audio option and choose the audio on my machine, so audio on my PC. So it will ask you to browse the audio file which is available on your machine. So I have a sample background. The extension of this audio file is mp3. I select it and then say insert. The moment you say insert, again there is this icon, audio icon, that appears. Same two configuration settings that we did For the earlier audio file, we have to do it here as well. So we can say start this audio file automatically and hide this icon while the presentation is being discussed. Okay, then I go back here, click on save, and then I go back to presentation mode. Now I'm on first slide, and when I click it, I'll go to second slide. The moment I land on second slide, the audio or the background music will start playing. So this is the background music which I have included in this slide, and the moment I click for the next slide, the background music goes off. So depending upon your requirement, either you choose the first option or the second option in this audio attribute. I hope this solves your problem of knowing how to include audio into a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much, and if you have any queries, feel free to connect me on my Gmail ID or post queries on YouTube. Thanks a lot.